What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the GoldFinger. Okay guys, so this is an ROI dapp on Binance Smart Chain. So if you were around last year these ROI dapps were crazy and a lot of people made a lot of money with these projects. Okay, and I would like to see the ROI dapp season coming back again. Okay guys, so this is the GoldFinger ROI dapp on Binance Smart Chain. Is not live yet, so it's going to be live in 15 hours, 36 minutes, and 20 seconds. Okay, that's why contract balance is 0 and total investors is 0. How it works, it is very simple. You can earn rewards from 5.5% all the way to 8% daily. So how it works, very simple. So come over here and you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plans. Very simple. Okay, the minimum investment is 0.05 and there is no maximum. Okay, 0.05 BNB. Okay, so once you invest in a project, okay, you will start earning your rewards, but there is more. Okay, so the daily ROI, okay, will increase every 24 hours. It will increase 0.5% every 24 hours or 0.02% every hour, only for new deposits. So that means you come over here on day one and you invest, for example, on this one. You come over here and you invest 1 BNB, and in 28 days, you will get 2.24 BNB if there are funds in a smart contract for the payment. Keep that in mind, guys. This is an ROI dapp, okay? But you will earn 8% on your 1 BNB. So the next day, day number 2, okay, instead of being 8%, the daily ROI is going to be 8.5%, okay? So day number 3 is going to be 9% and so on. You get the idea, right? So as you go along, the daily ROI will increase, okay? And same works for the other plans, okay? So you have 3 plans, okay? So the top 3 plans you can withdraw at any time, whereas the the bottom 3 plans, okay, you can only withdraw at the end of the plan, okay guys? But in the other hand, you will earn more because it's automatically compounding your rewards. Okay, so if you type in the amount that you want to deposit, you can see how much you can potentially earn at the end of the plan. Again, if there are enough funds in the plan for the payment. Okay, so plan you use is auto compounding. Okay, so the plan that I would go for would be this one right here, 28 days. Okay, because this is an ROI dapp. So I would go for 28 days, and yeah, I would go for 1 BNB, and then at the end of the plan, at the end of the 28 days, I would be profiting 1.24 BNB because 1 BNB, it's already mine, okay? And essentially, that's that. So once you come over here and make your first deposit, okay, your referral link will be activated. Okay, so once you got your referral link, share the referral link with your family, friends, social media, whoever joins the platform under your referral link. You will get a 5% commission on level 1, 3% commission level 2, and 2% commission on level 3. Okay, and your rewards will be available over here for withdrawal. Okay, essentially that's that. So let me just explain about fees. So every time you deposit, okay, you'll pay 5% tax, and every time you withdraw, you'll pay 5% tax. That's it. Okay, 5% debt fees and 5% withdrawal fees. Okay, cool. Smart contract. So you click over here and we'll take you to this page where you can check the smart contract. So currently I couldn't find any audit. Okay, so if you understand about smart contracts, you can come over here to the contract and you can read the code and see what's up. Okay, so I asked on a TG group when audit, so I'm just waiting for the reply to see what's up. And whenever I find more information about the project, I will come over here and let y'all know. Okay, so Telegram group has 4,958 members, currently 264 online. As you can see right here, launching on September 26th. Okay, so September 26th, that was yesterday. Okay, but seems like they updated because the smart contract they changed it because the smart contract, we got a transaction right here saying update starts. So they update it to tomorrow. So tomorrow, 15. So what time is going to be tomorrow? So 16. It's going to be about, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, it's going to be live in 15 hours and 31 minutes. And essentially, that's that, guys. So if you are familiar with ROI dApps and like ROI dApps, this one, it might be a good shot to get started, okay? So all the links going to be down in the description. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.